Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The introduction of the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome with Super Suite represents a significant shift in the recreational vehicle market, offering a remarkable combination of Hyundai's forward-thinking design philosophy and a higher level of mobile living. This vehicle goes beyond the traditional definition of a motorhome, representing a painstakingly constructed haven intended for affluent tourists who value both high-end comfort and technological integration. In contrast to the frequently functional design of conventional RVs, the exterior of the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome with Super Suite is distinguished by a fluid and aerodynamically optimized silhouette. Using Hyundai's modern design language, the car has streamlined lines, integrated lighting, and strategically positioned panoramic windows that improve interior natural lighting and add to the overall aesthetic appeal. In order to balance weight efficiency and structural integrity, the construction probably uses cutting-edge materials, which improves handling dynamics and fuel economy. The interior of the Super Suite has been carefully designed to evoke a feeling of residential luxury. Open-concept living is emphasized in the design, which skillfully combines separate areas for rest, dining, and relaxation. Throughout, high-end materials are used to create an ambience of sophisticated elegance, including hardwoods that are sourced sustainably, soft leathers, and custom textiles. The color schemes, which frequently include natural tones and delicate accents, are chosen with care to encourage calm and a feeling of space. An extraordinary emphasis on the master living area, probably with creative spatial arrangements and upscale amenities, is implied by the Super Suite designation. This could include a large wardrobe, built-in entertainment systems, and a king-size bed in a well-proportioned sleeping area. The distinction between a luxury apartment and a mobile home would be blurred by the en-suite bathroom's premium surfaces, residential-grade fixtures, and well-considered storage options. The 2025 Hyundai Motorhome with Super Suite is built on a foundation of technological integration. The infrastructure of the car is seamlessly integrated with smart home features, making it possible to control the entertainment, security, climate, and lighting systems with voice commands or integrated touchscreens. On-the-go work and leisure activities are made easier by the smooth integration of personal devices made possible by advanced connectivity features. Hyundai's most recent infotainment system, which prioritizes both safety and usability, is installed in the driver's cockpit. It includes sophisticated navigation, driver assistance features, and extensive vehicle management tools. The Super Suite's kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, plenty of counter space, and clever storage options to accommodate gourmet experiences on the go. The dining area, which frequently includes flexible furniture arrangements, is carefully planned to promote cozy gatherings. With strategically placed hidden compartments and integrated organizational systems, the living areas are designed to maximize storage without sacrificing visual flow. In summary, a paradigm shift in the luxury RV market is represented by the 2025 Hyundai Motorhome with Super Suite.